Hello guys, hope you're doing great, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about what is a sales funnel. And this is something that I really like because regardless of the type of business that you are into or what you're looking for, if you want to get more leads, you want to get more sales, if you want to promote one of your new products or one of your new services, a sales funnel is the best way for you to get results a lot faster. So right now I want to explain you in the best way possible and as I understand what is a sales funnel, because there are multiple ways, to be honest. There are multiple ways that I can explain this, but I just want to make it really simple so you can really understand what is a sales funnel and how everything works. So let's dive into it. Okay, let's start with the sales process, sales funnels. What is it? Okay, so the sales process is just basically the entire process where you take a complete stranger. Okay, this person doesn't know about your business. It's completely a stranger. Now, the sales process is just taking this stranger convert this stranger into a paying customer. Okay, stranger, paying customer, there is a gap that you need to fill in order to convert this person. So what do you use to convert this person into a paying customer? You use a sales funnel, and a sales funnel is just basically a series of steps that you create, and it is specifically designed to help you move this person from one step to the other step until this person becomes a paying customer, Now, I'm going to give you a quick real example of how a sales funnel looks in the classic way without using online tools, okay, without doing this online. So normally, this is what happened, okay? I'm just gonna grab a sip of coffee. So this is what happened. Let's take as an example a dentist. Let's say that you're in the supermarket and suddenly you see a brochure about a dental clinic. Immediately, if you haven't done your teeth cleaning, you wanna think, oh, it's time for me to do a teeth cleaning, sorry. So what you gonna do? You either gonna go to this clinic that you are seeing the voucher. You're gonna go to the clinic. This is the first step, is that you realize awareness, that you realize that you need a teeth cleaning. This is the first step. The second step will be that you go to the clinic or that you call the receptionist and you make the appointment. Okay, that is the second step. The third step of the funnel is that you go to the clinic, you receive your treatment, you get your teeth clean. That is the third step. And the fourth step is, once you finish your treatment, they're gonna give you an upsell. They're gonna tell you, hey, we have this offer where you basically also can have this, and this. And at the end of the day, you get out of the clinic with another appointment for your next treatment, because the doctor told you that you have some problems, I don't know, in your teeth. You need to do some whitening, you need to put some crowns, or maybe you need a dental implant. It really depends on the customer, but at the end of the day, they give you an upsell, so you end up paying more money than what you're supposed to be paying. So that is a sales funnel, awareness. You see the voucher, then you go to the clinic, you make the appointment, and then you receive the treatment, and then they give you an upsell. That is a real life and a classic way of how a sales funnel works. And another example I can give you is about the Taco Bell example, or any type of fast food restaurant. So this is what happens normally. There are only 4 steps, so I'm gonna show you how this works. So first, let's say that you are driving to your office or to your home and you're hungry, and suddenly you see a banner of Taco Bell saying, hey, we're open today 24/7, and we have this different special. You see a banner of that. So that is the first step, awareness. Okay, you realize that you're hungry and there is a quick option that you can go for. Okay, now the second step is that you actually going to the restaurant to get your taco. And the third step would be you ordering your taco, and you need to pay close attention to this, because here actually Taco Bell is losing money if you only buy one simple taco or one simple combo, because they put a big percentage of their marketing budget into advertisement. So actually it's not profitable for them that you just go there and buy one simple taco or combo, because they're actually spending more money to make you go to the restaurant than just selling a simple combo. So what's gonna happen here? The person that is there is gonna offer you an upsell. An upsell, this can be to make your combo bigger, or to give you like bigger fries, to make your fries larger, or to offer you some kind of dessert or a coffee, whatever. They're gonna try to upsell you something so they can make more money, increase their average order value. This is how they make the most of their profits in the upsells. That is the fourth step, upsells. Okay, so this is actually how a real life example, and I'm probably that you have been through this process. I have been through this process and to other different sales processes where businesses, big companies like Nike, like Reebok, they have a well and strategically planned sales funnel in place in their businesses in order for them to get more revenue and start bringing every time more customer into their business. So they have a sales process in place. The only thing is that you as a customer, you don't realize that you are being funneled. So I'm just explaining this because I actually, before I knew everything about marketing, sales funnel, and how everything works, I actually was going to the same process, sales funnels in these companies, and now that I know how everything works, it's completely, it amazed me how well planned they have their sales processes. And now I understand what it requires to build a business fast, fast, but not fast. It takes time, but it's gonna take you like more time if you don't implement sales funnel into your business. So in a nutshell, a sales process is just like having the best salesperson of your business trying to get you more customer for a specific product or service. Let's say that you are a personal trainer, you want to get more customers for your coaching program or for your personalized program where you basically show people how to train and everything. Well, you need a sales process that's gonna help you convert a complete stranger that doesn't know about your business. Okay, how you gonna build trust with that stranger? How you gonna make him pay you the amount of money that you're asking for your coaching program? How they can decide that you are the best option for them? And or maybe you also have a competitors. What's gonna make them decide to go for you? Okay, how you do this? Okay, you don't have to be there all the time convincing each customer that you are the best because of this of this. No, you just simply create once a sales funnel, a well-planned sales funnels. They're gonna help you convince this stranger that you are the best option because this and this. Okay, they're gonna go to your sales funnel, and at the end of the sales funnel, they're gonna pay for your service, for your product. So this is exactly how a sales funnel works, and actually it looks like this. Okay, actually it starts like this, and it starts like reducing the size into this. It actually looks like a funnel, like the ones that you have in the kitchen. So at the beginning it's big because you have a bunch of people, let's say that 100,000 people get into your funnel, but just a small percentage of them, they actually gonna buy your product. Let's say 100,000 people, only 1,000 people gonna buy, or 500 people. It really depends on how well it is the sales funnel structure and the different things that you have in place inside that funnel that's going to help you convert the most amount of people. So, well, that is basically what it is, a sales funnel, guys. There are different ways I can explain this, but in a nutshell, if you have a service business or an e-commerce brand, this is actually how it looks as sales funnels. And I highly recommend you to start implementing this, because it doesn't really matter, as I said, what type of business you have, what are you selling, if you're getting started. A sales funnel is gonna help you get results a lot faster, but of course you need to have certain things in place that's gonna help your funnel be profitable, that actually really works. Because actually it's not only magic, it's not magic to have a sales funnel. You need to have different components that's gonna help your funnel convert more people. Okay, so but in a nutshell, that is a sales funnels. I hope that you are clear on how it works, and I'm gonna be creating more videos explaining you the different things that you need in your funnels, what type of funnels that you can create, and more things regarding sales funnels and paid advertisement, because funnels and paid ads, they go hand in hand together. It's the best way that you can start getting people into your funnel and start like getting more customer or leads. So that's basically it, guys. I hope that you understand. If you have any question, please comment below. If you're watching this on Instagram, send me a DM if you have any specific question, or just comment below if you're watching this on YouTube. Ask me whatever you need about funnels and paid ads. I will be happy to help you out. So basically that's it, guys. Make sure to like this video so more people can see my content and they can benefit from what I'm sharing with you as well. So without further ado, see you in the next video.